One.
Yeah.
What's up, guys? It's Kwame back with another episode of More Than a Screen Printer. Today's episode is going to be about screen printing halftone. So I got this picture that I got on Google of Lauren Hill. Shout outs to Lauren Hill, Big Jersey. She's from the Essex County area of New Jersey, East Orange North. So am I. So she's a big idol of mine and a big inspiration, just for the simple fact that she's from Jersey. I found a really, really nice picture of Lauren Hill on the internet. First, before I even start, let me make sure I make it be known, I do not own the rights to the photo. I'm not anything that I make today is for personal use only. I'm not making it to sell or anything like that. I don't want no smoke. Okay. But I found a picture of Lauren Hill that I want to screen print today, and I'm going to walk you guys through how I do that process. So I'm going to do two different versions. I'm going to do a version for a picture with black ink on a white or light color background, and a picture of white ink that I'm going to use white ink to put on a darker color or background garment. All right, so stay tuned to the end of the video to see what I come up with, and I hope you enjoy. All right, so now that we got our transparency sheets printed, I'm going to go over what we're doing today. So the first version that we have, like I said, is going to be black on top of like a white or light colored garment. So this is what the black transparency looks like. So I had to label it black so that I know which one it is. But again, this is gonna, when you're screen printing, you have, if you're gonna do like a halftones or like a real life kind of picture during screen printing, you got to have the positive and the negative. So the positive is the one that's going to be used for black ink, and then the negative, we basically have to invert the whole picture like this, and this is going to be the white on the darker color garment. So I got these transparencies printed. We're going to go move over to the washout booth, and we're going to wash these out and put them on the screen and burn the screen. So let's go. All right, guys, and there you have it. As you can see, I have the black version of the shirt on. Came out really dope. I have like a nice dark gray color, came out dope on that, and I have a white shirt with the black ink on it. This project was really fun to do. Really came out nice. Like I said though in the beginning, I don't want no smoke. I do not own the rights to this photo, and none of this is for sale. This is all for my personal use. I'm also thinking about doing like something for the house. Maybe I might print this on some paper and frame it and hang it up somewhere in my apartment. So I don't know yet. But again, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Peace.